Here we have a quick introduction to a project I've been working on for a little while. It's a Midi interface to a wind chime striker. These are solenoids. Oops. Out of a bunch of solenoids here. Well, coils turned into solenoids. My little poppers fell out. Just little pieces of steel. They slide nicely in here. Right now they're just gravity holding them in. He's back in here. Okay, got a power supply. It's out of an old JVC stereo. Capacitor, getting around 50 volts DC out of there. I put in a remote on and off since this will probably end up outside. So that little light right there, this whole thing taped on the side of this power. That way I hit on and it powers on, powers off remotely. I have Midi keyboard plugged into the Midi port. That's feeding into the Arduino through my quick down and dirty Midi port interface. Feeding into the Arduino Micro, and which is interpreting the note data, passing it through, ignoring that PIC32 device right now, tying right in to control right there. These transistors pop the solenoids, which goes right into there. So basically, this is already on right here. There's my sketch and my, call this my briefcase, I don't know, computer, I guess. The screen built right into the lid. I couldn't handle the minimal power off my laptop, so anyways, let's test this thing out. It's already there. I will turn on the power. Power's on. Turn on my power to the keyboard. That's on. I'll put my note right here. I'll turn that on. It tells me it's a specific way that I'm dealing with the MIDI signals. So I'll put this piece of wood over this to keep these from flinging out of there. This little note here, these little lights will tell me my indicators. I have to set up for 6 notes starting from here. That's what happens when I hit that same note. It's that first one there. Catch it a little. Second one. Third one. And as I do that, I can see a visual here on the LEDs. Let me know what note's playing. I got 8 on here, but I'm only using 6 right now. So I've been playing with my the delay, the time for how long I want it to hit. Seems like 35 is a pretty good number. Flings it out pretty good. Hit a lot of them at once. Oops. So yeah, this ought to work pretty good. Next test is going to be the I'm going to bang away at some chime tubes.